That's it.
Count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Is this your first time going on the kayak? Hey, is this your first time going out on the kayak? Are you excited? Where are we going with the kayak?
The high dive truck.
It's got to go on Daddy's truck. Are we going to go to the water? Yeah.
So excited to take the kayak out. Let us know.
You excited?
Yeah, to the water.
Yeah.
The water.
Uh-huh.
There was a battle.
Yeah.
And then there was this
Yeah,
battle.
You ready, dude? Is that Scuba Steve?
It's jumping in the water.
Okay. We're ready to go. Okay, I'll take the paddle. Now don't put your toys in the water yet, okay? What's up, guys? We took the kayak out. This is Roman's first time ever being on the kayak, and he is so hyped. Oh, Bob used to kayak a bunch when she was pregnant, but yeah, we're out here on the lake. The water is so calm today, which is actually really nice. So we're hyped on the conditions of the water. Also, this is our first time being back to Lake Dillon since they remodeled the whole marina on the Frisco side. They killed it. They made a huge beach. And they moved the boats away from where you dock the kayaks and paddleboard and stuff. Like, good job, Frisco, you killed it. All right, you guys ready to go? Well, Mom's been doing all the paddling, so Dad's got to start cranking out some paddling. What are you doing with that big rock, dude?
It's a fine rock.
You want to take your life vest off? Whoa, that's a big throw, dude. Alright guys, so a lot of you saw, we got a new drone for stuff like this. So let's take it up. I actually really do like flying this little guy, despite it really struggling with the wind and the high altitude. It's not meant to fly in these conditions, at least that's what the computer tells me. Dude, we're ripping this thing around. It's actually pretty easy to like drive around and stuff. Of course, it never fails. The moment we decide to take up the drone, it got super windy, and now it hasn't stopped being windy. That's not stopping us from having a great time. However, something I've seen on the islands that I haven't seen before are these like stacked rocks. Like this, obviously we've all seen this, but I think I could do it better. So let's see how many rocks we can stack up. So a good starting one. Gotta find the flattest rocks of them all. The other thing is you don't want it to be like too easy. You gotta pick some challenging rocks at the same time. So the cooler ones are the ones that are like kind of small rocks, but you always get tinier. Nah, not me. You're gonna get bigger at the top. Ah! Pressure. You put too much pressure on me. That rock was perfect. So last year we snowboarded down Buffalo. If you have not seen that video, check it out. Here's a quick clip of that. All right, let's do it. One of the coolest things I've done. But also 2 years ago, we had a crazy drought up here, and all of these islands was dirt between them. Like this was all dirt. And we actually came out and made a video about that. So you can check the video out right here, and you'll see how low the lake was. I've never seen the lake this low before. Roman, did you like the boat? Is this your first? This is the first time on the boat. Oh, you're gonna stack rocks now? Okay. Oh, don't throw rocks at Daddy. Crazy dude. He's crazy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's get back in the boat. Yeah, there's our boat. Let's get back in it. Roman, a buoy. A buoy. A buoy?
Hey, you buy red, Daddy.
Not with your daddy.
Stack it up. Stack it up in your boat. Tap, tap, tap.
Tap it, Roman. Tap it.
Tap it.
No.
Do it. Do it.
No.
Roman, tap
You don't want to touch the buoy?
Just tap it. Look. Hurry. Oh.
Oh no, it's going bye-bye. We dropped the turtle in the water. We gotta go get it. It's on the move. I think it floats. See, that's why I said don't drop them.
No.
See, turtle's on the move. Oh, we saved him. We saved turtle.
Daddy.
Did you accidentally drop your turtle? Did we get it though? Good.
Daddy, above the water.
Yeah, he tried to run away.
Daddy.
Yeah, drop the turtle again.
You do the doll.
Yeah. Well, this time turtle fell upside down, so he filled up with water and he sunk. But turtle went to the water where he lives. Bye, turtle. It's okay. We'll get you a new turtle. I know. I know. Turtle went under the water this time. We can't find him. It's okay. We'll get you a new turtle. Roman's mood is not the same. He's so bummed about his turtle. I feel so bad. Dude, these are some huge waves right now. Look at the puppy, Roman. I'm sorry you're sad, buddy. We'll go shopping. The worst part about kayaking in Lake Dillon is paddling back, because usually the wind and the storms and the cloud all comes this way as you come out of the dock here. So on the way back, you're just battling the wind and the waves and stuff. Thankfully, it's still pretty calm. We haven't done this since he was born. It's almost 3 years. I got jello arms, I'm not gonna lie. How you doing, babe?
Good.
She's crushing it. Hey, mommy's gonna get out and then she's gonna help you get out, okay? Oh, Roman's gonna get out by himself? Let me see this. Do it, dude, do it. Good job. You want to have a moment of silence for the turtle? Turtle, where are you? Let's have a moment of silence for the turtle, okay, ready? Alright, say bye, turtle.
No, turtle way back.
No, turtle's not coming back. Turtle will forever live in the lake. Goodbye, turtle. Alright guys, getting the kayak on the roof literally takes nothing but skill. I got it. It's up.
Can't wait for you to watch that clip.
Nothing but skill. Alright, that was today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Pretty mellow day. We did not, there's like a bunch of other cooler islands that we could have paddled out to, but this was Roman's first time ever on the kayak, and we didn't want to go too hardcore, plus we knew that clouds were going to be coming in the afternoon, which means the wind is going to pick up, and I've had a terrifying day, like literally a terrifying day on the lake. Check that video out. I literally thought I was donezo.
You weren't done.
With my dog.
Somebody was done.
And my brother. It was terrifying. It was awful. So check that video out, and then snag some merch if you want. Support the dream. Did you have fun on the boat, Roman?
No, don't be back.
Yeah. He's really mad about his turtle, which we're gonna go get him another turtle. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for going kayaking with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving and subscribe if you're new.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.